Hello guys, welcome to this welcome to Let's Code. So in this video tutorial, we're going to be discussing about image arithmetics in OpenCV uh, using Python as usual. So Python's favorite. So I mean, let's discuss. Let me give you a brief overview, like what I'm going to do here. So I go to my OpenCV. So I have this, not this not this one. So I'm gonna take this logo of Chennai Super Kings, and then I'm gonna like merge it with this one. So somewhere over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get straight into it. So I actually have the working code ready. Basically, but it's a bit long, so I don't want to waste your time. So I'm gonna like copy paste it. So we need basically two libraries for this. The first one is OpenCV CV2 as usual, and then NumPy for like matrix manipulation. So now I have two images in my folder. This is my folder, Dhoni and CSK. So I'm gonna like bring in those two images. I'm gonna call the picture with Dhoni as Dhoni and the CSK logo as CSK. So the both are in JPG format, JPEG format. But let's say I do an imp show. Um, I put CSK here. I call it CSK. The image is actually quite like big to be merged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop the image somewhere like this, and then I'm going to merge it with Dhoni's image. Okay, so that's what basically I want to show. So okay, I'll get rid of this one. So the way how I came with this number is like you play with the numbers and then you get this. So actually, if you print this image shape using this function, so you could actually see it's three. It has 300 rows in terms of pixel, and then 500 columns in pixel terms. I mean pixel counts. So I've taken in terms of rows. I've taken from 500 to 250. So I'm actually 500, 50 to 250. That's what's right. Yeah, 50 somewhere here to 250 somewhere here. And then in terms of columns, I've taken somewhere here from 100 to like somewhere here from 100 to like 400 somewhere here. So that's what I've done here. So maybe we could actually like we could do an image on this one and see the image actually. So this is the manipulated cropped image. So we could call it cropped image. No, our cropped image is quite small now. This is the actual image size. So now we cropped it. We could actually get rid of this one further, like if you want. So all you have to do is like uh, increase this value a bit, maybe like let's give it 100 and then see how. Oh, that's very bad. I have to stick to 50 here. Then I have to go to 150 here. Then 450 here. I stick to 450. I mean 400. I can go down further a bit, maybe 375. So I just exactly get the image. I mean the logo. I'm cropping it to perfection, sort of. Okay. Now I cropped it to perfection. So now what I want to do is I want to put that cropped image over here. Okay, that's what I want to do. So Let's go step by step. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the image information. Image information means rows, columns, and channels. The number of rows, number of columns, and number of channels. So let me copy paste. So this csk.shape is going to return us. It's going to return us these values: rows, columns, and channels. So once this is complete, this line is executed, you will have 300 for rows, and then whatever the second value for columns, and number 3 for channel. Okay. Now we are getting region of image from the Dhoni's image. So how are we going to get it? So this is our Dhoni's image. So in this image, I'm going to take from 0 to the size of the logo, which is rows, from here, and then in terms of column, from here to here, whatever it is. So it will get automatically from Dhoni's image. So that's our region of interest or region of image. So it's actually region of image. So I could also call it as a region of interest. So now I got the region of interest or image on which I'm gonna like impose this logo on top of Dhoni's image. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert the CSK logo into gray. Okay. Actually, you don't need this now, so let me take this all the way down. So you can call this anything you want. cv2.convert color. So the image that you want to convert, this first argument it takes, and then as what you want to convert. So I want to convert this into blue green to gray. Okay. So the gray in a sense, like you will have instead of having 3 channels, blue, green, red, you will have only one channel where the color value will be from complete black to complete white, and then the values will be from 0 to 255, any values between that. So if you want to see, actually you could see that one. So do this, control save, F5. So it's converted into a grayscale image. Okay, that's cool. So now it's easy for us to do image processing. So now you are dealing with less number of data. It's like 2-dimensional array rather than 3-dimensional array it was. So and after that I'm going to do thresholding. So thresholding here RET means if this process is successful, it's going to return true. If not, it's going to return false. So and then you can call this anything you want. I'm going to call this mask. So cv2.threshold. This is the name of the function that's going to help us to do the thresholding. So the image on which you want to do thresholding. So I want to do thresholding on this image. So this should always be a grayscale image. If not, it's not going to work. And here what I'm saying is, if the pixel value is more than 50, make it white. Okay, and rest make it 0. So your matrix will have values either 0 or 255. So it will be 255 if the actual pixel value is more than 50. If it is less than 50, it's going to be 0. So now you could actually print it out and see. So you will see a complete white or black image. So it's not black and white. It's like complete. It's either white. In a sense, you will have a combination of pure black and pure white images. Image. So I copy the mask and then I paste here. I save this and then I execute this. So you'll have either complete black, which is 0, or complete white, which is 255. So now you have 255 here. So we have come, I think, yeah. So let's keep going. I don't want to end now. So yeah, I mean, by recording it in this fashion, it's gonna save a lot of memory space on my disk for recording this video and also for uploading. I don't do any video editing actually. I just record and upload. This software that I'm using, which is called iSpring, is really helping me to do these video tutorials because yeah, it's lesser size and I could make as many videos as I want and upload it just like that without having to worry about the connection, internet connection speed, and all this blah blah blah. So okay, let's talk about further like what's next. So now I'm gonna invert these images. I mean this image. So basically, what I have here is I'm actually inverting it. So I'm making. I mean, let me do two images. So I call this one like this. I'm actually doing inversion. So this is actually inverted one. So I'm converting black to white and white to black. Okay, cool. Yes, it's cool. So that's what this is actually doing. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually doing creating a background. The background that I want is Dhoni's image. So on top of the background, the logo is going to go. So you could call this anything you want. I'm calling this image1 underscore background cv2.bitwise and. So I'm taking this image, region of interest. So I'm taking this image, the region of interest. Actually, it's actually the crop. I mean, the region on which our logo is going to go to on Dhoni's image. So that's going to be a background. So I'm actually doing and between this one and this one. So it's exactly same as bitwise logical operations. You know, logic gates operation and or not. It's just exactly same. So if it is 255 and 255, what you're going to get, you convert 255 into binary and then do logical and then result is what you get. Okay, that's what actually you're going to get. And then for mask, we're going to use this mask. Okay. Now we play with foreground. Even for foreground, I'm going to do bitwise and. So I'm going to do it CST, the logo and the logo, and then the mask is I mean before inversion, so bitwise not. So that's the mask, and then I'm going to add both the images basically. So this one is added to this one cv2.end operation, and then I'm saying in Dhoni's image, this portion is gonna be equal to this result. That's what it's actually doing. So now we successfully edited the Dhoni's image. So now let's go ahead and show the image. Actually, show the image. You don't have to do anything. So we have show already here. So what I have to do is copy this, paste, and comment it out, save a file. Wow. Chennai Super Kings is gonna come. The Dhoni Chennai Super Kings boys are gonna be back. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come, more image processing to learn. See you guys in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.